Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the amazing benefits of drinking celery juice. From aiding in weight loss and preventing liver disease to lowering cholesterol levels and improving your skin, there's so much to discover about this powerful green drink. Stick around to learn all the incredible ways celery juice can boost your health, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and watch our previous videos for more health tips and wellness content. Number 1. Aids in weight loss. Drinking celery juice has so many nutritional benefits. One major benefit of drinking celery juice is organic weight loss. It's high in fiber, so it fills you up and makes you less hungry. It's also packed with good nutrition and vitamins, which is a big bonus when you want to lose weight but do not want to feel tired and sluggish. Talking about sluggish celery juice keeps your bowels regular, so you don't end up constipated when you diet. Are you trying to find a more effective weight loss method? Start drinking more of this juice. As celery is filled with vitamins and nutrients, it is perfect to satiate your cravings. Since it is low in calories, making a habit of consuming more of this juice will help you shed more weight sooner than you think. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Prevent liver disease. There are more than 500 important functions associated with the liver. It is an important organ in the body that helps in bile production, excretion of cholesterol, and hormones. It also metabolizes fat and proteins. Alcohol, hepatitis, cirrhosis of the liver, hepatitis B and C are all diseases that affect the liver and promote liver failure. The good news is that regular consumption of celery juice can protect liver health and prevent these diseases. Number 3. Help lower cholesterol levels. As much as possible, people are trying their best to inhibit the risk of high levels of cholesterol. Having high levels of cholesterol increases the risk of a heart attack. So how can celery help you reduce your cholesterol level? A unique compound has been found in celery. It is called 3N-butylphthalide, and it has a proven lipid-lowering property. This compound positively affects blood pressure and acts as a diuretic. It helps to reduce the density of the fluids, and it also relaxes the arteries. Alongside that, it reduces the resistance of blood flow. Through a study, rats were given the celery extract as part of their high-fat diet, and they were observed to have lower levels of lipids, low concentrations of cholesterol in their blood afterward. Besides, a phytonutrient known as phthalates in the content of celery juice helps relax the smooth muscles around the blood vessels, leading to low blood pressure. Number 4. Helps get rid of acne. Hormonal fluctuations often trigger acne. Therefore, celery juice can maintain these hormonal fluctuations, thereby minimizing the incidence of acne. Because of that, celery stick juice is also recommended to be consumed for women a few days before menstruation. Because having anti-inflammatory properties, celery juice is quite effective in helping to cure stomach cramps. Number 5. Rich in antioxidants. The high content of beta-carotene, vitamin C, flavonoids, and other antioxidant compounds in celery stalks makes it an antioxidant source. Of course, this is very much needed by the body because air pollution is getting worse day by day, and an unhealthy lifestyle makes the body vulnerable to free radicals. So, to meet the body's antioxidant needs, celery juice can be an option to counter these unwanted free cell radicals that are harmful to the body. Number 6. Helps smooth out the digestive system. Celery contains a lot of fiber that works to treat constipation. It stimulates your digestive system, helping it eliminate waste easier. If you suffer from constipation, celery juice is highly recommended for you. It's a natural laxative because it relaxes the nerves in your bowels, making it easier for your system to be more regular. Celery aids digestion. Indeed, it promotes the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, allowing better digestion of food and guaranteeing a non-acidic digestive system. It is also one of the richest vegetables in fiber and water. It is a natural prebiotic that nourishes our intestinal flora. It helps fight bloating and constipation. Number 7. Celery juice is excellent for hypotension. A chemical called phthalate in celery juice has a remarkable effect on blood circulation. It enhances the relaxation of the muscles surrounding the arteries. This muscle contributes to a vasodilation effect and explains the decrease in blood pressure. The existence of mineral salts, such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium, also wage war against hypertension. They regulate the imbalance in the number of liquids existing in all the organs. Frequently, an excess of liquid causes a rise in pressure in the blood vessels. Celery also purifies the blood. It makes it smoother. Indeed, this vegetable facilitates blood circulation. Efficient blood circulation in the blood vessels is synonymous with moderate blood pressure. Number 8. A great anti-inflammatory drink. If you're battling with inflammation, take advantage of that big green stick of celery in your fridge. Did you know that drinking 1 glass of celery juice a day can lessen the risk of osteoporosis? It can also help reduce the chances of encountering inflammation in the muscles, tendons, and other body parts. It is the perfect juice if you exercise a lot as well. Additionally, it turns out that celery is not only necessary for our body minerals and vitamins, it has other essential constituents, and they are called phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are the chemicals found in most plants. They act as the inhibitors of such various threats. Number 9. Relieve skin issues and promote a clear complexion. Women who want to have skin that always looks young and without the slightest blemish concoct formulas based on celery. And it works. Do you know why? Because this ingredient contains antioxidants. These antioxidants adequately fight against premature aging of the skin in particular. It also offers a moisturizing effect and a glowing effect on the skin. For the hair, celery juice is an effective remedy for dandruff. It vitalizes the scalp and promotes hair growth. The antioxidants in celery, like oxyacetylene, relieves inflammation. Similarly, vitamin C, another antioxidant in celery, also supports brain function. Number 10. Improve your sleep. In case you're looking for insomnia remedies right now, this is one of the best celery juice advantages, and you can start falling asleep on a nightly basis without any issues. This is an amazing benefit for some, because it is also a natural boost when you've had a long and hard day. The benefit is in the magnesium. This mineral helps relax the nervous system so you feel tired and calm. Those with magnesium deficiency will find it harder to sleep and are often stressed at even the slightest problem. It is not easy to control until you deal with the deficiency problem. Drinking celery juice also helps to normalize blood pressure. This is a common reason for insomnia because it can raise stress levels. Drinking celery juice, it can aid in weight loss, prevent liver disease, lower cholesterol levels, help with acne, and so much more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and let us know in the comments if any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.